What is going on, everybody? It is Tanto Tuesday. This week's carry is pretty cool. I have couple new things really testing out, and so I'm pretty excited about that. But let me know in the comments what you guys are carrying down below. And in future Tanto Tuesdays, very soon, I really hope to start bringing in photos from you guys of what you're actually carrying on your Tanto Tuesdays, so that we can actually physically take a look at what you guys are carrying on the channel. So it's still in the works and hopefully coming soon. Let's get to what this week's carry is. Alright, so this week we have the Groove Wallet. This is new, so this has been really cool to check out. I'm very excited about checking it out. We've got the leather side on this side to stick my cash into. I don't use the loop here just because, I don't want to lose my cash, and it fits tighter in there. The credit card part works great. It evenly distributes my cards. Some of them are credit cards and a bunch of just random your saving money cards at different grocery stores and fuel perks and stuff like that. And this week's flashlight is the Olight 5R EOS in titanium. So very cool flashlight, very simple, very rugged, and just really a good all-around flashlight for the money. And this week is also new is the Big Idea Design Slim Bolt Action in titanium stonewash. So this is just only a few days old, and we're just now really getting into using it at work. Very cool pen. Actually, mechanism in this one actually works out better than the mechanism in my other one. So far, pretty pleased with it, with the exception is it still feels slippery, and the machining just really doesn't do a whole lot for any kind of grip. But we're still in the testing phase on that one to see how we like it. And the knife showcased this week is the CRKT M16. Very cool knife, very underrated knife. This is in the very large one, so this is not a small knife at all. But overall, it's a very nice knife, very nice, rugged, simple design. Very big knife. I don't think that this one in large with the aluminum scales is available anymore. I'm not really sure. You'd have to look at that. So very, very big knife, very cool knife. I enjoy carrying this knife. It really works really good. You have multiple deployments with your thumb studs, which are a little tricky to get to because they are really more blade stops than anything. But it is a rugged knife, and there's so many different variations of this knife out there as far as in G10 and various things. I don't think that this one is available anymore in the large with the aluminum scales. I do think they might have discontinued it. I know they were definitely in the talks of it, but overall, just a really cool knife, a classic knife. It's been around for a long time. And just like I said, enjoyable to carry. I like big knives, and this one carries really good. Doesn't take up a lot of room in your pocket, but gives you a big aggressive knife for big tasks. Very cool, simple Tanto design. Nothing super hardcore, so makes it a very good all-around knife for just about anybody. Just a matter of picking the size that is right for you. But there is my Tanto Tuesday this week. Kind of simple, nothing too super fancy, but just a couple new items that I'm really excited about really testing out and seeing how they work. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch you next time. Have a great day.